Hello everyone. Today we are delving into the exciting realm of Axis India Manufacturing Fund. As per SEBI categorization, this is a thematic equity fund. It aims to offer an opportunity to invest in the India's dynamic manufacturing sector. We believe that manufacturing is a key driver of India's economic growth. Not convinced? You may want to hear this as well. First of all, let us know why the manufacturing sector matters for India. Now picture this, a robust manufacturing sector humming with activity, fueling India's economic engine. That's no exaggeration. The manufacturing sector contributes a significant 16% to the GDP, employing over 120 million people. Its impact extends far and wide, shaping infrastructure services and even agriculture. The Indian government has recognized the manufacturing sector's importance, rolling out a series of initiatives to bolster its growth. These include the visionary Make in India scheme, the production-linked incentive scheme, the National Infrastructure Pipeline, and the ambitious Aatma Bharat initiative. These measures create a fertile ground for domestic and foreign investment, fostering innovation and competitiveness. Despite the global disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the manufacturing sector has demonstrated remarkable resilience and a strong recovery. In fact, the sector's expansion has reached to a 7-month high, extending for the 10th consecutive month. In today's equity markets, allocations heavily favor the service sector. This presents an opportunity to diversify your portfolio with a dedicated thematic fund like Axis India Manufacturing Fund. By tapping into the manufacturing sector high growth potential, you can potentially enhance your overall returns. The Axis India Manufacturing Fund takes a strategic investment approach, carefully selecting companies through the entire manufacturing value chain. This includes raw materials, intermediates, capital goods, consumer durables, and as well as exports. The fund employs a bottom-up approach, handpicking high-quality companies with robust fundamentals, promising growth prospects, and a distinctive competitive advantages. The fund focuses on 3 segments of the Indian economy: manufacturers investing in a factory equipment and R&D to build production capacity, industries with rising demand trajectory due to rising domestic consumption and premiumization trend, and lastly, companies benefiting from India's integration to the global supply chain. The Axis India Manufacturing Fund is designed for investors with a high-risk appetite and a long-term investment horizon of at least 5 years. This is because manufacturing sector, while promising, can be volatile in the short term. If you are seeking exposure to the manufacturing sector growth potential, the Axis India Manufacturing Fund could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Axis India Manufacturing Fund. I encourage you to conduct your own research, consult a financial advisor to determine if the fund aligns with your investment goals. Remember, investing involves risk, so always make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and financial objectives.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.